2006 RSX Type-S. It's been a long process. I've been in this about 3 years trying to crank this thing out. It's been a journey, so I'm hoping that we get at least 500 and I'll be happy.
Block sleeved or anything?
That stock block, stock piston. It's got a four-corner S366 KLM sidewinder, 1000cc injectors. I got a Cometic head gasket, ARP head studs, drag cartel timing kit with a modified lower timing gear, OEM tensioner. Pretty much just a stock motor with a head gasket and studs. Just seeing if we can crack over 5. Everything through Jarvis. He's been basically on the dad here the entire time.
Plugs aren't that big of a deal. He jinxed himself. He said it was tune ready when he was doing the plugs.
Yeah, I was talking shit. Yep, tune ready, baby.
Alright, so what you got going on?
I had to remove one of my DPOs for the boost controller to make it work, and as I did that, I broke my flex fuel power off, so now I have to repin it with this tiny guy. What's the turn? Like just press the button, it just turns it on.
When you look at it, it'll either have no LEDs lit, like the LEDs will move. It's none is setting 0. Click it, and it's setting 1, setting 2, setting 3. So basically, it's setting 0 is the wastegate,
right.
8 pounds. Setting 2 was like 10 pounds. Setting 3 was that, but that 60 miles an hour and above. Setting 4 is that all the time.
Setting 4. How the fuck do you get this? I thought there was only 3
There's
lights.
4, but 0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so 3 is okay.
Yeah, 3 is 1.
3's kill, 0's like fucking just get